Love, don't let that leftover chicken just sit there and go to waste. Let me show you how to take it and turn it into a delicious chicken pasta salad. Yes, baby, it's so good. You with me? You want to learn how to do it? Well, guess what? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So I'm back, people. Yes, indeed. Miss Jackie's back. And I'm going to show you how to get this chicken pasta salad going, honey. But before anything else, you need to do something for me, baby. You need to press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified every time when I put up a new video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. All right, my love. So these are ingredients. I have some leftover chicken breast from the other day that we're going to use for this salad. I have some nice celery. We have some nice, it's a green bell pepper. Okay. If you want some onions in here, you could go ahead and use that, but I don't like onions in my pasta salads and stuff. I got some sweet peas here. It's a can of sweet peas. I love sweet peas in my salad. I have some mayo. You know, believe it, I'm very iffy about different types of mayo, but this one here, even though it comes close to Hellmann's, I think they just gave it a new name, but it's pretty good. We're using some regate, penne regate here. If you don't have that, you could use any type of noodle you have, okay? Elbow, whatever. We have some nice hot red pepper flakes. I have some green seasoning here. That's optional. If you don't have it, don't sweat it, okay? We have some oregano or any other herbs you may have in your house. Some black pepper, okay? And we have some mustard. Okay, that's going to add a cute little zing. We have some oil. I'm using canola oil. That's just to put in the water. Okay, and we have some cumin. Now, cumin is an acquired taste. If you don't have it, it's no big deal. But I've learned to like cumin though. It's cute. I like it. Okay, and we have a packet of ranch dressing. Yes, that's the magic right there. Those little ranch dressings are cute. Let me tell you, they sure are, okay? And you're gonna need some good old sweet relish. All right, my loves. So we are going to take a pot, put some water in there, add a little bit of oil, and we're going to bring that up to a boil for our pasta. Now, mind you, for the pasta, my loves, you could add any noodles you want. Oh, guys, and don't forget to salt your water, okay? Because we want some of that salt to get into the pasta. I'm using penne regate. If you don't have that, that's what I had. Use elbow macaroni. So right now, honey, I am cutting up my celery, okay? I want nice cute little sizes. I'm not dicing it, but chopping it, I mean, we gotta have that celery in there. Now we're cutting up some green bell pepper. All right, now again, my loves, if you want to add some onion, go ahead. I don't like onions in my potato salad or my chicken pasta salad. I don't like it, okay? But if that's what you like, go ahead, knock yourself out, okay? So we're just chopping those. And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the description box below, okay? All right, now, so we're taking our cut vegetables and we're putting it into a bowl. All right, now I'm just taking that chicken breast I had in the refrigerator, and I'm just cutting it into little bite-sized pieces, okay? I didn't want this to go to waste, and what other thing can you do? But you could do a lot of things with chicken breast, but I wanted to do something easy, filling, and quick, okay? So we're just taking our chicken breast here, and we're cutting it up into some nice small size pieces, okay? Bite size, I would say, bite size pieces, okay? Just like that. All right, now if you want to shred it, I don't know, go ahead. I don't want to shred, I want to taste the chicken. All right, but some people shred it. I don't know, everybody do things the way they want, but this is how I do it. So now I'm adding my cut chicken breast pieces into the bowl. We're going to be mixing everything into the bowl. Okay, so now we're making our dressing. I thought I had recorded this part, but okay, so we have some mayo, some good mayo. We have some mustard in there. Now we're going to add our sweet relish. Some people don't like relish. Okay, so if you don't like that, again, I'm just giving you my recipe. You could alter it any way you want and make it your own, okay? And we're adding our packet of ranch dressing here. It's a ranch, the ranch powder. This is, I think, my second time using it, okay? So now I'm adding some oregano. This is my second time using that ranch. That's what I had, and it worked so good. Okay, and now I'm adding some black pepper. We're adding some cumin. Cumin, again, I love cumin. I've learned to like it. It is an acquired taste. If you don't have that, no big deal, but it tastes good though. It really does. I've learned to love it. I'm adding some red pepper flakes for that little bite. Just that little bite of heat, okay? And now I'm going to add a little bit of green seasoning. I have a video to learn how to make the Haitian épis, the green seasoning. It's really good. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that into my pasta salad, okay? Again, if you don't have this, it's okay, okay? Work with what you have. All right, I'm just working with what I have in my house, okay? So now we're mixing that together. Okay, we're mixing that nicely. And I'm adding a little bit of sugar. And the reason why I'm adding a little bit of sugar is just to cut the acidity, okay? You just want to cut that acidity, okay? Just a little bit of sugar, just to balance out the flavor and tone down the acidity in the dressing. Okay? And guys, taste your food as you go. All right? Rule number 1, taste your food as you go. Taste it. What does it need? You got to train your palate. Okay? So now I'm adding my pasta into the boiling water. I'm going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. Just follow don't let it get don't overboil it so it'll get mushy. But follow the ingredients on the box, okay? And we're just testing it. I'm just taking one, and I don't want no mushy pasta. Okay, you don't want that. So don't overboil it. Just follow the directions on your box, on the box of pasta or packet, whatever you have. So now we're draining this, guys, and I'm just going to rinse it off a little bit with cool water so it could just cool down, because I don't like adding anything hot to mayonnaise. That is so disgusting to me. I see people when they make potato salad, they add the mayo to the hot potatoes and to the hot pasta. That is so gross to me, because it's gross. It's like oily. Okay, you do you. Anyway, just follow what I do, okay? And now I took my peas, guys, that I had in the can, okay, and I drained those peas and I added in there into the bowl. We're adding our new pasta to this. Okay, and now we're just stirring that together. And loves, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because I want you to get weekly notifications of all my delicious recipes. You'll know when I post them. I do post weekly, and don't forget to like and share, okay? Let everybody know about me. Let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. All right, so we now tossed everything. Now we're adding our dressing, our delicious dressing. Okay, I like to usually do my dressing separate. Okay, you could, if you want, you could add it and stir at the same time, but I just like to do my dressing separate, and so I could pour it in at one time. Okay, now I'm just making sure I get every bit of that dressing out of that bowl. Okay, and we're just tossing our pasta, our chicken, and the vegetables in here. Okay, this was definitely enough mayo for me. I mean, some people might want it a little bit more creamy, you know, but I think the amount of mayo I used in here was definitely suffice. Okay, because you're not making a mayo salad, you're making chicken pasta salad. So you want the right amount of mayo in your pasta salad. And there's other ways too you can make the pasta salad too. You could use that vinaigrette, which I've used before. I don't think I have a video for that, but I'll do that for you guys one day. All right, taste your food. Taste it, taste it, taste it. It's so important to taste your food. Okay, I made this for myself and husband. It's quick. If I don't feel like cooking, you know, there'll be some left over, and of course it's going to get better the next day. It's just like, you know how potato salad is, you know, when you make these kind of salads, like potato salad and pasta, they're always better the next day and the next day after that. Okay? So now, my loves, after you taste and adjust, if you need to add more black pepper, go ahead. You want to add a little bit more salt, which I don't think you need, because those ranch packets pack a pretty good punch of flavor. All right? So now I'm just going to put this on a nice serving plate because I want to present it to you so it could look cute. Okay? Because if it wasn't, I was going to keep it right in the bowl. Well, actually, I was going to just put it in something. But, you know, of course, you want it to look presentable. Presentation is very important. Okay? And now, if you have any chopped parsley or anything like that, cut some up and put it on top. Okay, and that's it. That's it. A chicken pasta salad. Look at that. It's quick. It could feed a large amounts of people. It's not costly, using what you have. You know, a lot of times we have some leftovers and you could do so much with them. And this is one of them. One of the things you could do with leftover chicken. Okay, I wanted to share this recipe with you all. Definitely try this recipe. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think. And my loves, if you have recipe or if something you want me to make, let me know. All right, definitely let me know if you have something in mind that you would like me to make. So I'm going to do the taste test, even though I've been tasting it already. You know, I was tasting as we go. But guys, it's absolutely delicious. Try it. Leave your comments in the description box. Don't forget to like, share. And my loves, I need you all to do 3 things for me. That's eat, love, and pray. Okay? See you soon. Bye.